Hello viewers, here's yet another easy recipe for absolutely yummy cookies. For these cookies, you'll need half a cup of salted butter. Make sure it's very soft. Just go ahead and whisk it lightly, and then you'll add half a cup of powdered sugar. Again, whisk that in or mix it with a spatula until they are mixed and creamy, and then you'll add 1 egg and vanilla extract. About a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Go ahead and whisk those in. Make sure to break the egg down really well so that it's well combined with the sugar and butter. And when you're ready, it's time to add in the flour. So just 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Sift that in, and then you could mix it with a spatula because it's a little on the thick side. And once your dough is smooth, once your butter is smooth like so, it's ready for piping. So that's the consistency you should be going for. And now prepare your spout. Again, I'm using the 6B piping tip. Just go ahead and prepare your piping thingy like this, and then place in the butter. I just did all of it in one go, but I'm using a tall glass, so I was able to just put the whole thing in at once. But you could do it in 2 batches, it's okay. Now it's time to pipe again. So I'm using a muffin top pan here, but you could use a regular baking sheet with a waxing or parchment paper laid onto it. It would work just fine. But I chose to use my muffin top pan here, and it also did a very good job with the cookies. So what I'm saying is you do not need this pan to make these cookies. So go ahead and pipe gently and slowly. Try to keep everything same size, even though mine are also not very equal. Some are bigger, but yeah, some things are unavoidable or they come with practice. Yeah, so when you're done piping, you're going to bake this at 320 Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes, and that will be it. And then let your cookies cool down on a rack fully. And the more you let them cool, the more they'll be crispy. So just go ahead and let them cool. And then when they're fully cool, maybe an hour later, they are ready to enjoy. So go ahead and enjoy your cookies with coffee or tea or anything you want to eat them with. And please do subscribe. Thank you for stopping by.